Hey guys, welcome back. So far on our app, let's turn it on. Type Rail server. You can basically log in and log out and see all the posts. I would like to add a new link here that says users, and it would display all the users that are signed up with our app with their respective posts. So let's do this. Open up your text editor, and we're gonna have to create a new controller action. So, a new controller actually. So on the controllers folder, let's create a new file called, as you could guess, users controller.rb. And here, first of all, let's define the class. So class users controller inherits application controller. Let's close it up. And now we're going to add a set of actions. The first one is the action which shows all the users. So this is going to be the index action. So define index, and inside we're going to say users user.all. And it's going to get all the users in our database. Next action is the show action, which shows the individual user. So define show, and that's it. And then on the private area, we're going to define the user. So define set user and global variable user equals user dot find params, which gets the information on the URL ID of the user. So now we're going to set which action runs this method, and we do this after the class saying before action set user only for the show method. Forgot this, and that's it. Okay, go ahead on your views, and we're gonna need to create a new folder called users once again. And inside, oops, yep, and inside this users folder, actually, we mistakenly created a file instead of a folder. So let's delete this file and create an actual folder. Yay. Users. And on inside, we're going to create two files. One for the index action and one from the show action. So first of all, save this index.html.erb, and the second one is show.html.erb. And finally, we're going to need to go to our routes file on the config directory and set the resources of the users. So we can add this after resources posts and set users. So let's try it out. There's nothing yet on the views, so don't expect to see anything from the users, but we can check if it's working. So Rail server, and go back to Facebook and type localhost port 3000/users. Yay, it's showing up. And I know a chance that our current user is number 3, and yes, it is displaying, no errors are shown. So let's start adding information to our views. Going back to your text editor, on your views folder, on your users folder, go first to the index.html.erb, and let's display a container which shows all the users' name. So div class container, can close this up, div up, and inside you're gonna have to make a block called users, get all the users, h2. Let's close this first. It's a really nice habit, beginning a statement and putting an end before putting any code inside. And inside we'll put an h1 tag with the username. So tag. Going back to our browser, going to the users view. Hey, nice. We have one user which is called Tiago Martins, my name. Now for the show action, I would like to display myself and all the posts I created so far. So far I created one, so that's what we'll show. So first of all, open the div class container. And inside, let's have to open the row. And on this row, I'm gonna want to divide the page into two sections. One for the user's information, and the other section for the user's post. So first of all, div class call lg4 for column log, and here I would like to display the user's information. For now, we only have the name, but afterwards, on the following lectures, I'm going to show you how to get the other information for Facebook, like your profile picture, the stuff you like, and sorts of things. So h1 again at user dot name. Go ahead and test this out. Go into your browser and users. Type the number of user. Yep, showing that the name up. Let's continue. Open up another column, and here we're gonna make it call LG 8. So, and here we're gonna put all the users' posts. For this, we're gonna need to open a new block and say get user dot posts dot order, and let's set it to create that descending order. Each do posts. Let's close it up, and inside for each post I would like div class posts. Well, don't worry about the post class, we'll complete it later on. And let's close this up, and inside I would like to show on heading 5 the post title, and below that I would like to show the content. So post.content. And let's see if this works. Hit refresh. Cool. Something is wrong here happening, but we'll fix that in a minute. But as you can see, it works. For now, take off the well class. Yes, nice. And let's add, if the current user, if the user that is signed in is the user that is shown here, I want to be able to edit or delete this post. So we're going to add these actions, and we're going to add it below the paragraph. So first of all, if post.user is equal to the current user, I want to show these links. So, oops, let's add a span class, pull rights, and first of all, I want to actually pull left. I want to say link to edit, and this goes to edit posts path with post. Okay, close up the span, and should be okay. Yay, we got the add action here. Now let's add the destroy link. So Also inside the span, we'll add divider and the destroy link. So link to destroy and post, and the method equals delete. And we're also going to add a data confirm method, confirm, to make sure that you really want to destroy this post. Sure. And let's close this up. And yeah, should be it. Let's try it out. Yeah, we have the destroy link, so yeah. Are you sure? No, I do not want to destroy. It'd also be really nice to know how long ago was this post created. So I'm going to do this before this condition, below the paragraph, but I want to put it on the right. So open the span class, pull right, and time ago inwards. So we'll say how long ago inwards was this post created at. So post dot created at ago. Close up the span and oops. Yay! I think these posts are too long, so let's shorten it a bit. Call LG6 and yeah, looks a lot nicer now. And now we're going to go ahead and style this class a little bit. So we're going to go to our assets directory and our style sheets folder and styles, and go ahead and add a new class called, as you can get, posts. Put it up and let's add a border to it, 1 pixel, solid, and let's give it this nice color here, ECF, which is a grayish. Let's go ahead and try it out. Yep, as you can see, it has this border. And I would also like to give it a border radius so it makes it a little bit rounder. So 5 pixels. And I will also like a background color, which should be the same as this one. So go ahead and copy paste this. And let's add a little bit of padding to the top. Actually, general padding. 10 pixels and a margin. Also 10 pixels. So let's see what it looks like. This is weird. We can solve this. Actually, this is good for us. Let's add a label class to it so it looks like it's on top of this box. So let's go out to our Bootstrap page and get a nice label to add to our buttons. So CSS and actually some components, and let's see, labels here. So here we go, span class label default. I want it for the 44 minutes ago, the created ads. Let's add a little bit of bluish thing. So copy this, go back to your text editor on your show file and add this class to here. Just take out these quotes and it should be working. It's not, and I know why. I forgot one of these. Go ahead. Nice. So, and let's make these edit and destroy links buttons. Let's go back to our text editor, and on each of the links, let's add a class to them. So, comma, class, and I would like a little button. So, button, SM, should mean small. Button primary for the edit one. Let's see how it looks like. Nice. And let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's go up and see the button classes. So the little button XS, extra small, as you could have guessed. So XS, let's see how it looks like. Perfect. And for the destroy link, I would like a red thing. So going back to our CSS tab on buttons, I would like a danger button. So it's button danger. So go to destroy link and add a class btn XS btn danger. Save it. Let's try it out. And we can get rid of this divider here. Perfect.